And then we also have the longest bi-level mall in Fort Bonifacio, starting from that point to this one.
Bi-level.
It's a bi-level mall. So we have the retail, we have restaurants, we have
This
supermarkets.
is parang.
Yes po, this one. It's a ground floor. So since the bi-level mall, so may mga loft type.
Oh.
Type po siya.
I was
Kasi,
about to ask you, purely residential ba? Meron palang mga...
yes, we have the bi-level mall here. And then, basement 1 will be dedicated for commercial parking. And basement 2 and 3 will be parking of the residential.
Residence.
Our parking slot is 2.7 for basement 3, 2.750 for basement. So no discount, so we don't give discount for
Pero yung parking po nila na yun is good for ano lang?
one lang.
Isa lang.
12.5 square feet. Standard size.
Pero walang choice na halimbawa kasi diba malalaking unit natin dyan.
Yes.
Mga pang malaking family yung iba, diba? What if meron silang dalawang wala tayong parang choice na eto pang single car, eto pang dalawang car.
Hindi po. Actually, mas limited pa po yung parking natin kasi we only allow 110 square meters and up. So 2 bedrooms, specifically for 110 square meters and up, yun po yung may privilege to buy a parking slot. So for 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms na 106 square meters, hindi po sila pwede bumili. Unless yung mga buyers po ng 110 and up ay hindi po bibili.
So, hindi sila pwedeng bumili pero they could use parang rental.
After
Wala
sale,
talaga.
after na po yun.
Oh
We
my
don't-
God.
we don't.
Paano pag meron silang car?
That, yun po, mag-rent po sila. So, hindi
Sa
po
labas.
natin hawak.
Sa labas
Yes,
niya.
pwede po. So, very limited po kasi yung parking natin. Especially in Fort Bonifacio. Kasi
Limited talaga yun kasi sa dami niyan.
so, 110 square meters na po yung pwede bumili. Parking. This one, we have the units here. So, facing, this is facing McKinley Hills, so east, northeast siya. And this is, since McKinley West, this is facing west. The other side. We have, this is the McKinley West Village in this side. McKinley West Village. So, ang maganda po, when we will be launching this one, wala talaga siyang obstruction kasi this is a village. So, and then
May
after
view
that,
siya.
yes, may view po siya ng
Mataas yung floor
Makati.
mo.
Forbes Park po kasi ang adjacent kasi tayo sa ang McKinley West sa Forbes Park. And then Dasmariñas Village and then Makati. So, maganda po on this side. Also on this side.
Pero ito na-launch na po.
Yes, yes. This one.
Ito na lang.
Ito lang po yung dito.
Itong dalawa.
Yes. For Tower A to D.
Sold out na po.
Sold out na po ang lahat po ng 1 bedroom.
Ang dami mo yan.
Oo. 2 BR na
2
lang.
bedrooms na lang po ang available natin. For all towers. And then,
Tower D and Tower B, di ba, sir?
lahat po. 2 bedrooms na
2
lang.
bedrooms kaya.
And then po, starting today, September 7, we will have our price
Increase.
So, ang original price po ng 2 bedrooms natin, from 32 million, now po is 42 million.
Wow, bibenta natin.
Short ako ng 10.
Tapos, we have an increase of 30% for Tower A and B. And then, ang increase po natin sa C and D is 18%. 18 to 20%. So, kung bumili po, yung mga buyers po natin na bumili prior to this day, laki na po talaga natin.
Sir, kapag ganyan gawa na pa ito, hindi pa po.
Top off na po itong dalawa. And then ito pa top off na po siya. So, ngayon po, interior na lang po.
So pagka ganyan na halos tapos na, ano po yung factors para tumaas yung presyo?
Price.
Okay.
Kasi real estate po kasi,
Ano na siya, di ba? Gawa na siya.
regardless po kasi paggawa na o hindi po, siguro isang factor yun, pero ang nag-increase po talaga kasi yung real estate. So,
Dahil sa ano?
especially sa zonal value, kasi nag-increase na
Oo,
siya
yung zonal value.
per year. So that's the zonal value, that's the minimum. And then we also have the market value, which is dictates yung ano yung mga katabi pa na developments. So for BGC po kasi, ang starting na po ng BGC projects po ngayon is 400,000 to 800,000 per square. For this one po, ang price na po natin per square before was 285 to 300. Ngayon po is 400 na rin per per square meter.
Nung inumpisahan siguro yan, yun pa yung 285 pala.
Hindi po, ang pinupensya po namin was 250 to 260.
Mas bilis na.
Napaka-bilis po.
Kaya if you're thinking of buying properties, do it now.
Mm. Not late.
And talagang yung buyers po talaga natin are qualified buyers. Talaga kasi not all can afford. Talaga, especially for 425. Kasi ang per square po talaga tumataas. So it's a good thing. It's also, we can already see the difference kasi ng mga ng tao when it comes to when you are residing sa BGC and residing.
Yeah.
Sa Uptown ba, sir, ilang in-offer natin doon?
We will be launching one project po this coming month. Ang starting po nun is 400,000 to 420,000 per square. Yes. Pero sold out na po yung project po natin. Doon na mas mahal pa po.
Oh.
So talagang may buyers po talaga. Kailangan po natin hanapin. And we are here to assist you and close it.
Kasi yung mga buyer, yung market natin dyan talagang hanapin mo.
International talaga yan.
Usually po talaga abroad or my family abroad. Actually na lang po talaga yung nakaka-afford. Kasi we are
Negosyante dito na malaki.
negosyante.
Business.
For professional like lawyers, doctors. But if you are an employee talaga, hindi talaga
Hindi ka.
aabot. Ilang
Kahit
years
anong
po talaga,
gawin.
yes. So one is this is fully finished. So when we turn over the unit, kasama na po ito. So we have the 2-burner induction, we have the range hood. This one is included also, and the brand is Frank from Europe. And also this one are included. Not this one, but the cabinets, overhead, and undercover cabinets are included. This one is not included, but provision for washer dryer is included.
So it's the itsura when it's going to be turned
Yes,
over.
we
Ito na
have-
talaga siya.
Yes, this one. We have the video na po, nasa
Opo.
Google Drive po
Opo.
natin. So if you have time po, you can check it out. The actual unit po ay
Pati yun sa
Ay,
2BR,
yung
sir.
sa akin,
and also
Oo.
2-bedroom 6.
2BR yung sinend ko sa'yo.
Oo.
But you also have the
ganito
one
na kasi
bedroom.
siya eh.
That's what, ito na po. This one is included, the video com. So you can see your guest from the reception area. This one is included, but this one is not. The system, because all units in Park McKinley West are smart home ready. So ito na lang po yung, kunyari po, this one is the app. So you can already,
Ay, sa ilaw.
po, you can control your lightings and your aircon.
Pero wala pa diyang voice. Yung parang lights, ganun.
Pwede na po.
Pwede na siya
Pero i-installan
program.
nyo lang po.
Oo.
Installan nyo na lang po siya. Na kunyari Alexa or Siri.
Oo.
This one is included as well as the sensor. So this one, ito na po yung actual na itsura po. Yung CR po natin.
Sensor ng ilaw.
Apo, ng ilaw po. And then this one is already included. Color is the brand. And then mirror is already included. Except sa rabbits po. But you have the bidet, the shower.
Mga fixtures kasi
Opo.
yung kailangan.
And then the tiles will be floor to ceiling po yung tiles.
Pati po yung salamin.
Yes po. This one is the half-closed glass enclosure. So usually po ang mga clients nag-install na po ng door. Glass door. This one is not included but provision for refrigerator. All Park McKinley West units, mayroon na pong kasamang aircon. So 1+1. So one in the bedroom and one in the living room.
Oh my God. Ang liit-liit ng room. Tapos dala-dalawang aircon.
Yes.
Lamig.
Tapos, but again, this is all painted white. So when we turn over the units po, painted white. Floor is included, almost the same po siya. And then, naka-drop ceiling pa po ito. So, yung actual ceiling po mas mataas pa po. Kasi usually po kasi naka-pin lights na po siya.
Oo.
So, hindi po siya included. So, yung
So ikaw pa
usual-
maglalagay ng mga ganyan?
if you want to, yes. Then, cabinet.
High enough na siya kahit ganyan.
Cabinet is included po. This one is included, yes. And again, painted white. Naka-drop ceiling pa po. So, mas mataas pa po ng konti. And then, aircon is
Sir, pag
included.
sinabing naka-drop ceiling,
Drop ceiling po nakaganito po. Parang naka-drop ceiling po siya ng konti kasi para sa mga pin lights po. sa mga focus
Pero
lights.
may kisame na yon.
Yes po, yes. Yan naman. Yes naman po. This is just the design kasi may mga yung drop ceiling excuse me, yung drop ceilings po kasi doon po nilalagay yung mga lights.
Nilaw.
So, kunyari, this one po, gusto nyo nakafocus dito,
Mm-mm.
nakaganyan, or pwedeng dito.
Para madali din sa
Apo,
lang siya
yes.
lalagyan.
But usually po pagka turnover po namin, yung socket lang po.
Mm-mm.
Yung sa normal po, ganun sa apartment,
Oo.
yun lang po.
Nasa gitna.
Opo, sa gitna siya. At this one po, lahat po ng unit po natin may balcony po. 1 bedroom to 5 bedrooms po.
Ayun, maganda. O, safe siya, o.
Yes.
Safe
Ang
siya
condenser
sa
po,
bata.
nandito po yung condenser natin sa labas.
Oo.
So, hindi naman siya naka-install guys. And maganda po sa Megaworld projects, we are pet
Ganyan
friendly.
talaga, sir, salamin.
Ano po? Ano na po yan? Kasi
Open lang siya.
Apo. Kasi ano
Pero meron pa, meron
May
ganyan
pa.
talaga.
Depende po. Depende po sa unit. May balcony po.
Para safe.
Apo. Tapos pet friendly po lahat ng Megaworld projects. We proceed po sa 2 bedrooms.
Ito, hindi ito ganito.
Hindi.
Puti lang ito. Pag
Plain
pinag-
lang.
So we have access to the balcony from living room to the first bedroom and to the master. And the condenser units will be here. So pag ganun po siya.
Mamaya pupunta rin tayo dun.
Yeah.
Bahay na bahay na.
Second po yung balcony dito pa sa taas.
Ito.
And then, this is the living room. So again, we have the aircon. Aircon is included. Again, painted white. Wala po yung mga designs. Naka-drop ceiling po. So ito po yung actual po. Usually po, ito po yung actual. Mga 2.73
Ayan po yung
meters.
sinasabi niyo.
Apo, naka-drop ceiling kasi siya. So may mga pin lines siya. This one is included. And even the material. But this one is just white lang po. White or on this side, depende po sa unit.
Okay.
Also, this one is white. But this one is included the counter. This one is also included. So, for 2 bedrooms and up, you already have the electric oven and a 4-burner induction and also the range hood. This is the sink. So this one is brand same brand. Over counter and under counter cabinets are included. Yes, we already have and soft close po lahat yan. Soft close po lahat. And then here, this is our main room with own toilet.
Oh, masarili siya.
And then this one with provision for washer dryer.
Condition.
So depende po sa unit, yung window po. Usually corner units po may window. Pagka mid units po wala pong window ang main room. Aircon is not included po dito.
Is not.
No.
Sa maid's room lang.
Apo. This is for the
Optional for ano.
showroom purposes. This one is the actual entrance. So hindi po doon. This is the actual entrance when you go to the unit, usually kitchen and then main room. Hindi po siya doon.
Maid's room.
Apo, po ganun po siya.
Tsaka siya din itatakbo sa pinto.
Yes, yes. Well.
Ito included, sir, no? Ito din.
This one is included, yes. Same lang po. This one is also included. The system, the smart home ready po. We go to the first bedroom. So this one is included. Again, painted white. Dito siya naka-drop ceiling, aircon, and then access to the balcony po.
Ito yung sabi niyo from there, pwede kang pumasok dyan.
Pwede, technically, pwede naman po. Yes. And then, the actual unit po will be a bit darker lang po yung color niya for the bedrooms. Kasi, wood style po, wood design ang nasa bedrooms po.
Ano yan?
Yes. This is the common toilet and bath. So, again, included po. Included po lahat. And then, this is our master's bedroom. Okay, so, painted white. Aircon is included. And this one is the access to the bathroom.
Access din siya.
then, again, cabinet is included. And usually dito po, cabinets, ginagawa na pong cabinet. Ito po. Same as this one. And then this is the master's bathroom. And
So, sir, the owner can opt to repaint or redesign
yes,
the
anything
walls.
po, they can do.
Kailangan pa nilang humingi ng permiso or they can do it on their own?
They just have to request permit po sa admin po. Kung ano po yung gagawin sa unit. But they can do whatever they want. Yung design sa kanila na po. Just to inform the admin na may ginagawa doon sa unit.
Okay.
But the
They
design,
can have their own parang interior designer,
Yes,
sarili nila.
Yes, yes. They can do whatever they want po. Whatever design po. Except na po yung pag-structural na po. Hindi po yung kailangan kasi check. Kaya dapat po yung, at least yung design will be submitted also sa admin.
Alam
Kasi
ko
baka
na pag
maano
structural
siya.
talaga kasi delikado.
Kasi may matamaan.
Nagkakadikit.
Yun lang naman po yung kailangan for the permit.
That one, sir, included.
Hindi po siya included, so ano lang po talaga siya. Wall lang po. White wall.
Grabe sa siya.
So this one is starting at 40 million for 40 million for tower A and B, and then 36 to 37 million for tower C and D. So depende po. Kasi per square meters pa tayo. So we have 106 and 110 for 2 bedrooms.
So yung CND, sir, 106 lang yun.
We have 110 also. Pero ang increase po kasi for tower A and B is about 30%. And then for C and D, it's about 18 to 20%. So kaya medyo about 36 to 37, and then this one is 40 to 42. So yung price range po natin starting today.
Today.
Today talaga, no?
Oo.
September 7.
Buti sir, yung NGC hindi pa nagpa-price increase.
Ano ba?
Yung NGC po, wala pong
Wala
galaw.
wala pa po. Pero baka later this year po.
Okay, sige. Saan makabenta pa tayo?
Bago mag-increase.
Oo, mas maganda yun.